Hello sir, hello everyone. This is my finished login system using GUI. As you can see, uh, there are green lines here, green background and blue colors there. Let's try to log in. Admin password. Let's try to log in. It says invalid username or password because we haven't registered yet. Let's try to register first. Now this is the registration panel. So you can see there's a logo with JVG with green fonts, same with here, and background that looks like for cybersecurity. Let's try to register. Admin and password 123 confirm. Address will be yes, Boracay and Pampanga. Let's say Philippines. This my birthday. 9. This is 2003. Now let's click register. And now successful. Register. Let's back to login. And let's log in. And password 123. Let's click login. It is successful. Click OK. And this is the dashboard. As you can see, there's a with green futuristic background, and the user info is shown here with blue fonts. And that's all for my login system.